waist surgery first?
I got a deal for you.
Oh God.
You beat Angie and I'll buy you a hot tub.
Another hot tub.
Oh,
That's too hot.
on.
That's too hot.
That's 2 hot tubs. Let's go. Come
You
on.
lied. You told me that if I did it last year, I would get one, and you lied.
Okay, come on, go.
I have a better job than you. I love my own damn hot tub.
We'll see how far it goes. We'll give her a hand if we need it. She wants a hot tub.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. You want your hot tub. Let's go. Come on. Come on. You want this hot tub. Just think you'll be able to relax, rest those muscles.
I'm done.
Oh, let's try it.
Get him up there. Get him up there. Put him up there.
No.
Go,
Come on.
go,
Come on. You want this hot tub.
Go.
You want this hot tub.
I beat you. I beat you.
Okay, tell me when I'm done.
Okay.
Okay.
Woo.
That's probably about 43.
Crystal hit a pole of 27 feet 8 inches.
It
That
hurts
finishes out women 31 and up. Angie with first place with 47 feet 3 inches. All right, we're going to move on to
It hurts my
men.
knees.
14 to 30. Waylon Hurst is up first.
Look at me go now.
Easy.
You backed over the sled.
Oh, see, I'm
Hop off of it.
I guess I